Thinking about starting your own Discord guild? Whether you're building a gaming clan, a creative community, or just a hangout for friends, creating a guild or a server, as Discord now calls it, is super simple. But setting it up right from the beginning, that makes all the difference. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you never miss easy tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into it. Open up your Discord app, on desktop or mobile, and look on the left side where your current servers are listed. At the very bottom, you'll see a plus icon. Plus, that's where the magic starts. Click or tap that, and you'll get two options. Create my own. Join a server. We're building from scratch, so choose Create My Own. Next, Discord will ask if it's for a club or community, or just for you and friends. This helps set some default settings, but don't worry. You can customize everything later. Give your guild a name. This can be anything from Night Raid Squad to Codecrafters United. Whatever fits your vibe. You can also upload a server icon right here. If you don't have one ready, you can skip it and add one later. Once that's done, boom, your new Discord guild is live. But here's where the real setup begins. You'll start with a few basic channels. A general text channel. A general voice channel. Now start organizing. You can right-click the channel names to rename them, add new channels, or create categories like voice rooms, events, or game chat. And don't forget roles. Go to server settings, roles, and create roles like guild leader, officer, or member. You can control what each role can do, like managing channels, kicking users, or just hanging out. You can even turn on community mode in settings to unlock welcome screens, rules channels, and server insights. Perfect if you're planning to grow. If this helped you launch your Discord guild, give the video a like and subscribe. We've got more Discord tips and tutorials coming every week. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.